You're looking at a 2022 Kia EV6 Wind. All-wheel drive, dual motor, all electric, with 48,000 miles. Comes loaded up. ABS traction, stability control, alloy wheels. Kia standard safety systems. Great interior, leather, full power options, wireless charging pad, cameras, push start, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, dual zone climate, navigation, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, adjustable drive modes, premium Meridian sound. Exact mileage is 48,238. Memory seats. Just a nice clean car. Power tailgate. Does come with a 110-volt charger. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.